You can increase the quota by 5. Quota, yeah. 5 is okay. You request for 5. But if they take, maybe it could take maybe a day. You can just leave that part. Even though I want 2 projects you create, it's okay. No matter. I just to see them. No single one.
You cannot do the project.
Okay. See.
Okay, because you created all.
You are done. I will review your own.
I've done the last one. That's creating.
What is it telling you?
You are recording that. Why are you doing like
that? Okay, no, I'm assuming that's not bound for you.
Why are you writing all of them one by one?
Autonomous bypass.
You want to do shortcut?
And the project too. Maybe not you. I'm not sure saying that you can.
Maybe you don't try to get many free trial. For every free trial you attempt, they issue you a new project for your account. So you reach a point that, did you have that experience with this free trial? That you reach the maximum. That's what creates that quota thing. Yes, now.
The code that are saving inside it. Like 4.
Don't leave any last one. We'll get quiz on this thing. No use wind down. That one have fun something. Create everything.
Yes,
If I try from you in 2 minutes, we don't finish.
Let's make sure that one.
Okay, now get busy. Sleep day.
Because of sleep, I go on.
Can't know that is too much. Okay.
Yeah. Somebody is creating this thing on that
next edge.
The person is creating it like this.
Who is that? Something not be you, they do that thing on that next edge.
No, it's not.
That person is supposed to even get that permission to do that thing inside next edge. This one already. Oh, it's what? Who be that person? Wait. Who you treating? You see? Show me that thing again.
Is it you?
You can't be on that next edge. It's what you have recently seen.
Yeah, it's just a listen.
Go to all.
All.
It's your own recent, like I own. Can't.
Don't do that. Let's not accuse me saying I'm
Are you guys done so that I can review and do some quiz?
Let's take our time to get you. I rush over. It's taking like 1 hour to do it. No, that's not part of me. The fact that she's here till now, we know that. Good. That will finish with the glass. Tomorrow.
Hmm?
Right.
Hmm? 1 hour, 9 minutes. Man, you made it, man. Where do you live?
Back home. I still didn't go to
You told me that you friends with Ebenezer. So at what point did you develop? Well, you like when did you learn coding?
So I thought this right.
I don't think before when I first when someone speaks, it was really fight.
What's telling you?
It was fight. And
You
then I
have to
just
put
begged
the
to start speaking. And that was where I
I
was.
loved it.
Yeah, I loved that. I was really
Do you have flair for
just
teaching?
an increase
yeah,
on the project.
I don't know.
Because I'm trying to. Anyway, we'll speak about that. There are many. Anyway, yes. You get the logic? And these are folders, which you can see all these folders are departments.
This down. There's nothing in the jam.
Yes, these are to replicate their departments on Google Cloud organizational structure. The same way Next Edge had their own like this. Let me show you. See, our cohorts, all of them.
Yeah, 10 minutes. I get it.
How do you know those codes? This boy, you cyber security, you do. Yes, no, I grew up in I went to military school,
So you want to make it school?
NDA,
Okay, Nigeria Principal.
and then the first academy.
I told you guys something. I don't remember.
How many projects for everything?
Like everything.
Well, I don't know why mine is
This thing, what mentioned, not it. Not doing it from the new.
Which is of the project, the quota. By default is like I think 10 or 5. We can increase it, but don't request for like high number because your fees in an individual account. So if you do like 10 quota increase, it's okay. All right. Let me review the people that finished. Azula is almost there.
Should apply for free services. Don't give me.
Hmm?
Should apply for free services.
Yes, use free services. Success, right? Which name did you use? Well, why did why you not use Tesla jammed, you know?
Who that mean?
Okay, you have DevOps folder. Okay, I see what you did there.
opening them. Look, man.
Where Joy?
I use that.
Joy is on fire.
Georgia.
Who else is doing this? God's time. This thing is suffering me. I've checked your own. Excellent. But you don't have project. You didn't create project. See the last step.
Okay, take like 2 working days before they give me the free one. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But I enjoy.
You don't finish.
No, the other 3, I don't think Chris put it again. They say, no, I don't apply. They say it'll take me 2 working days. If we agree to stay till next month, if we get that.
So with that joy. So let's do shall we do a quick review of this assignment? You want for project?
The last step. We break each student for
Yeah, and they don't like him now. He's having quota.
Now the city.
They don't get to.
No. Up.
Let me see who named their project very well.
No, nah.
You know, tell us. Where is your? Did you do that? You see.
It was because I don't have this quota. I don't have quota.
But no be issue. But I mean, is nobody go hold you to account say. That guy will go. Right?
Guys.
1 hour to go. But the timer is actually 75 hours.
Huh?
I'm glad to inform you that it's 75 hours.
We go call
See now, see how hours. See the green bar.
call it. Second next time.
I see security in the land.
Okay. 2 more days. Ah!
So let's review this, please. Joseph, run through this, then we'll do a quick interactive. Let's look at this organization.
Okay, let's
We'll go use and do small shake body before we calm down.
So let's run through it again. Are we together? Yes. You guys are the real deal. So
it's like you want to defend you what you did here. Just tell us what you have done. Yes. So go through this and tell us what you did.
Okay.
I'll go to your own.
So navigate to next edge technology.
So please, let me tell you the rules. You tell us what you observed in the process. Because that's how we review it at our company when we do these sessions. When you were going through the steps, what did you observe? For example, when I was trying to do this, I realized this, it made me understood that this, all those kind of things. It's all from part of the.
Okay, so the first task, huh?
Yeah.
The left presentation. All the people they want to So in the GWR team,
You want to drink?
team A,
Yeah.
which is inside the nets.
It's Arabian.
We were told
It's nice. Just try it.
to delete all the folders that we had created before now. Prior to this time, we
ginger
created
everything.
different folders and different projects inside
You don't like it?
our own folder. In my own case,
Mm-hmm.
where's Abdullah? Yeah, in my own case folder, Abdullah was the first name. And then we created 3 folders and then probably 3 projects. 1 project each. One project each for the folders. So the first task was to delete it.
So we'll just.
So the first task was to delete all of those folders. So what I did was to navigate to PWR team A, and then I went into my folder.
Can I pause? Sorry.
To feel that
Okay.
once you go to that folder, and then you click on the folder A, folder B, and folder C, you'll be able to delete it right. Now, what I noticed was that was not possible in this assignment, in this task. After selecting, there was no way I could.
You like AWS.
So I have to
You like
brainstorm.
no revolve around AWS.
I have to brainstorm, and immediately I thought of something. It's always good to be quick to get it done. So in less than a minute, I thought of something, and then I went to the trees. There's a 3 dots right at the top of
Where's my tea?
the folder, right? On the back, here. Thank you very much. This very dot. So I just let me check this dot, and then I saw manage resources. Manage
Yeah.
witness.
Is
And
it
when I
fine?
clicked on it, I saw that okay, there was a delete button. In summary, that was the solution. So I went to this place, clicked on
Did you talk about what you observed
Yes, I've
that?
talked about that. I couldn't delete everything, and it was frustrating. That was how I got to this place.
Brainstorm.
So I got to this place, and then I selected each. At first, I selected everything. The delete button was not elected. So again, brainstorming happened, and then I had to select one after the other. The first one, then I deleted. Second one deleted, and third one deleted. Of course, as a cloud engineer in the making.
No,
I'm not
you're a cloud engineer now.
As a cloud engineer that I am, it was frustrating, but of course, we learn every day, right? And then this was part of the learning. So that was why I did that. Thank you very much. 2 things that I observed I couldn't delete at once, and then it was stressful. Then the next one, in the same folder with your first name, create a subfolder called Tesla Germany with a correct naming convention. This was very easy. All I had to do was come to the folder Abdullah. Go to the same manage resources. There was create folder. I clicked on the create folder, and then there was space for name, for naming the folder. I renamed it to this correct folder. name, which is Tesla Germany. The second placeholder was for Next Edge Technology. That is the organizational name. And then the third one was where we did the magic. So for the third one, I selected our brand and then I came to this my folder. I clicked on it. I came inside.
You don't do.
I now.
Thank you. Success. Thank you. Good job. Can you run through the sense of step or just run us through what you achieved for your own? Yeah, you can you use your own this thing to present so it's easy to move. You want to use my own? Just try it so that you'll be to be. Everybody, listen up.
Thank you guys for staying to this time. So basically, what we are asking,
Oh, well, no. Check.
we were asked to create folders to delete the one we have files now folders before. So if you remove it and create a new one, and also add some projects to some specific folders. So here first I have to, for those of you that are not listening, are not aware, or maybe you're outside this place, let me start from here first.
Good.
Demonstration will start from there.
Exactly.
Your own is like this, no organization.
You go look there.
You have to find out the whole, you won't see it. So the first thing you need to do is to click here and select our organization name. Which happens to be.
She didn't have.
So from there,
You had issues with project.
let's say that is allocated to you, that is shared to you, and you were added to.
Yeah, we are assigned.
So you will see it here. Then from there, you also see this sign here means that this file is open. This organization is open. That's why this arrow is pointing down. So the next one, you see this one is closed. So let me open that one. Click the arrow, it's open. So of course you can find your name here. So
Including those in Ascension.
yes, you locate your own, my own
Count,
my
please.
own name. So yes, my name.
for 15 minutes.
We're asking.
Extracting this last.
We're asked to look for Tesla. But it's unfortunate, or it's fortunate that it happens to be my.
There was a guy there. Beside you.
It's a very nice guy.
No, wait, please.
But not Sabato.
We're almost there. Let's not.
1 minute.
Please.
So these are the organizations we are asked to create.
Wait, let me inform my.
So these are the organizations we are asked to create. The department rather.
I wanted to say minus points for that today.
The department we are asked to create. So you can see this. This is different from this. The reason is that something is inside this one, and this one is empty. The folder here is empty. This one has a project inside. So the same way as he explained, for you to create or to delete either any of the management you want to do, the first thing you need to do is to locate this button here, the menu button. Then you manage your resources. From there, everything will be staring at you. So you don't need to Here is your project, here is your folder. Under the folder, we have two folders options to create, but the most common one that is
Standard.
to our standard here is what we are creating. So you put the file name, you can give it any name of your choice. Your naming convention is your own concern, but don't name what you cannot find later. So yeah, no name that one. The organization here, you know we are working here under this organization. So if you have any other organization, maybe you have list of organization, you're also going to select them, click there, and select the particular organization you're working, you're creating that folder for. So here is your location. What is the location? Okay, where do you want to create the file?
Exactly.
Where are you sending it to? You want to create it to heaven? You look for heaven first. So you browse. But first of all, your name has the file name has to be here. Let me just put folder. You browse. This is where Makana used to happen sometimes. So the first, you drop it. You look for your name. It's as simple as that. It's not all here to, as you're looking for your name, that's, as you're looking for your name, you know we are creating two things. First, we created the major folder that houses other departments, which is Tesla, Germany. So the next one, you have to open it again. That's it. Okay, this is where I want to send it. I want to create this department under Tesla. You click. See that here now the location has been sent to Tesla. It's no longer under Arinze. It's under Tesla. So if you have Toyota here, you can put whatever name you want, whatever you want to send it to. So this is where so but if you miss it here, if you want to also create the department and if you put Arinze here, let me go back. You're trying to buy more than
But take your time, bros. Interactive. This
so if we put Arinze here, if you create this folder, it's not under Tesla. This folder will be again. Tesla and folder and Tesla will be in the same place. I don't know if you understand. Am I correct?
Can you show it in the view so that they you mean at the same level, or what do you mean by?
Okay, let me This is Arinze, right? Yes. You open Arinze here. Folder and Tesla will be here under Arinze. Do you understand? Yes. Folder and Tesla
They'll be in the same level.
will be in the same level, in the same place.
You understand?
I mean, it's not here, just under the Tesla or maybe above the Tesla.
So you need to has to be
So the location is very important when you are creating folder. Also, the same thing happens when you are creating a project. Okay, let's just we've created this. So let me just add one project. I'll remove this now. Let's create projects. Are we clear with this? Or should I create a folder?
It's okay. Let's go with John.
Yeah.
John will success. Thank you.
What is it?
Tell us what you start from beginning.
From the
Yeah, you just tell us your own observation as to what you observe in the short task.
first and foremost, during this process was annoying for real.
Annoying that we have a code we can go.
After I was thinking it was at least we just do fast. When you do that first time, second time, third time, I was like, it's not as easy as I thought. And the painful part was how like when I'm creating a folder or something, and then I want to browse.
You have to drop down that thing.
When I browse, I have to first drop this one. Sometimes I'll not do mistake and click on the name like this. I'll have to go back again.
I feel you.
Click on the drop down menu. The painful part is that my own name is not down. So I'll now scroll up.
Now you scroll down.
Still gets to my side. And after getting there, sometimes I'll still do mistake and click the wrong folder. So honestly, that stuff was annoying. Yeah. Okay, so apart from all of those observations, my whole point of what I actually focused on thinking about was the various departments in this cloud environment. So when I was trying to kind of like apply it to services that we have on the cloud, right? So I think in the question, Data Hub it gave Data Hub a project. So I was like, okay, if we give Data Hub project, what will they use that? What cloud services will they use that project um
Achieve.
to achieve? Yeah, to launch. Now that was when instance they might need the database instance to manage the database of their customers and anything database. So to actually need the project the database. Same thing with AI also, because of the AI function of the cloud space. I think I saw AI there.
AI is part of the yes.
Yeah, AI is
Cloud service.
so and automation and all of these things to be really the same thing with robotics. I think robotics we need that automation that automation service, and also maybe after discovering one or two projects, maybe they have made some research and they want to hide it in secret spaces, or maybe they can use some secret bucket. I saw some secret storage there and some other stuff to hide their resources. Then we now have the cloud engineer group. I think we gave this one project. This one should be the cloud managers and where they are cloud managers, they are cloud security. So else they are like when the cloud, they are like the boss. And they completely remove everybody here and turn them to viewer. So yeah, that was the point for them. Then I think the next one was software dev. Yeah. The software they need this one to for CICD, continuous improvement and development and deployment for their applications, to launch their applications and so on. Then
Hold on. Speaking on that, which department will work based on what you are saying? Would work closely with this software dev in this
work closely, that will be the cloud engineer
Why?
because of continuous integration and continuous development.
You want to maybe in one or two words summarize that for us
Like
in your own understanding.
the software devs really want to build, provide the cloud engineers, they have cloud DevOps and something. We want to test and integrate into the cloud environment and
Or provision the services that does this. Okay, good. I just wanted us to see that multiple departments could have, what?
What happens at that time of sorry?
data hub.
Paying attention.
They are the ones that manage database instances, MongoDB, MySQL, and all of those database instances. So maybe keeping all the database related to that Tesla, Java system.
Yeah. You want to say a word or two? You want to?
Just to ask question based on this,
This is
based on this files conversion.
Are you there? Can you hear me, please?
Yeah. You want to ask something?
Okay, now,
It's just
like,
That's what
when you are doing Django's
data
programming,
engineers, we have data scientists,
your
we have data
file,
analysts. Where do they fall?
all of
Wait.
data.
Wait,
You
no,
are
not
actually
true.
doing the data.
For
Yes, you are
Did I get them that time?
the data analyst, the data engineer, data administrator, everything data.
Okay, thank you very much for your input. Um, good. You did this? Did you do this?
Guy from Jose.
Okay, I had an already existing production. So I created a software that naming it Tesla. Like, yeah. And there also, yeah, I created other folders.
What are they? What are these folders that you created?
AI dev, autonomous driving, cloud engineering, then data hub. Okay, yeah, AI dev, autonomous driving, cloud engineering, data hub, finance, general
No, click on the Google Cloud thing. Then click into Next Edge Technologies. All. Beneath. Yeah.
So I said I created a subfolder named Tesla Gemini. I created other
Did you not observe something when you were doing this? When you were deleting those folder A, B, C? Or you didn't have that? When you were deleting, did you what did you observe? That means you didn't realize you could not delete a folder unless it is empty. If something is inside, you can't delete it. Yeah. All right. So go ahead quickly.
And then we have to also put project. I think I was able to only do one project. I think sales and
You didn't do any. There's no.
yeah,
Maybe it has not come up. Could be. No, but don't worry, Joy. So you created everything. I see. Good job. So I'll save that. You see, IAM is.
Should I ask the question? Why we wait for him to?
No. Hold on. Let him defend this. So proceed.
I created my also, and initially I was difficult to navigate my way to my own folder, but I had to be very patient about it. Then I initially came here, so I was struggling with it, not until the boss now came and said, no, just do that. I can just start from here and manage the resources. Then from here, I was able to check through my own. Then when I started, I wanted to delete the folder under my own initially, but I didn't know that if it contains subfolder
Or something.
I want to delete it. So I now overheard him and then discussing it, so I quickly corrected myself.
Good one.
That just the hints I passed through when I was
Good one.
trying to get it done.
But I see you have. Why do you talked about? Okay, is that not your? Okay, that's folder arrange. Because I was wondering why you have the drop down beside the folders. I thought you
I'm going to my own.
go to your own. So when you want to view your structure, it's best to go out of manage resources. You understand? Just click on this Google Cloud. then go into the organizational section and all. Then you'll be able to see things well.
With thousands of different folders. I don't know what to do coming.
People, there is an assignment in our company that is we are replicating a huge German company because I used to
So
I
this is
developed
found
a
folder,
solution for them.
like John
Back in the
rightly
so
pointed out initially.
it's
I
I
find
should
it difficult
remind
because
me.
my name is down below the list of the names here. So I always find it difficult for me to scroll down each time I want to create anything in searching for my own folder. Then I have a folder under my own personal folder yesterday, the one we created for the assignment, which I created for DevOps. Then under this DevOps, I later created about 3 folders, which I named front end, back end, and then database. I've already worked these ones up according to the instructions. Then under this DevOps folder, I now created the Tesla. You can see now, just in form of a hierarchy. This folder, this DevOps folder is under folder Vincent, and the Tesla is under DevOps folder. So it's in form of a hierarchy.
Yeah.
So and when you now come to Tesla, you now see that there are other folders or folders that are created underneath. So I created AI dev, then autonomous driving, then cloud engineer, data hub, finance, general assembly, HR center, then PR communication, sales, marketing, and software. Then, so these are the folders I created under. I was unable to create a project.
Okay, so you created
Because you had okay.
under the class of what?
Sorry? No.
DevOps. You have a folder.
I have a folder before them. That folder contains 3 subfolders that we use in the assignment yesterday, which I named front end, back end, and then database. So I now wiped out these 3 subsidiary folders and I created this Tesla under paper.
Thank you very much. So good job. You see IAM. I'm glad you guys are feeling it. I wish Joseph is okay. Good. Now we can just use few minutes to do small question and answer about this IAM. Since we're almost at the end of our incredible training series. You can already see that I will use Blessing. You have all the folders created. Enjoy.
Okay, all the folder.
Where is your own now? No, it's not all. So I need somebody with all the. I think you have everything, right? Let's just do small knowledge sharing about these organizational things. In this short assignment, we were tasked to sort of like represent or replicate a company known as Tesla Germany on the Google Cloud using this organizational structure thing. Because Google Cloud has one of the best, of the organization. Even if you see from the very, very top of this, you see anybody who sees it, okay, this is an organization that everything underneath will be on the inside, like departments, units, and all that kind of things. So this one is just for testing purposes, just for us to know. And we're tasked to create, 10 folders. And you can see the 10 folders are pointing to departments like The first one is AI development, autonomous driving, cloud engineering, data hub, finance, general assembly, HR center, PR communication, sales and marketing, and software development. Without being told, oh, these are departments of this company. Now, I have a quick quiz. Number one, are you ready? Which department in this Tesla Germany? If you know the answer, just put your hands up. Which department in this company will be responsible for the governmental conversations? Wait now. I never even finish the question. So it's for us to debate. All of us go get opinion. Wait, I never even finish the question. Which department in this company, all these 10 things you are seeing here, let's not go out of this. So will be responsible for the governmental. Remember, the company is what? What is the company? So whatever you are answering should. In fact, no. The first question I want to ask is, which department will be responsible for the advertisement of this company?
Sales and marketing.
Wait now. Yeah. Which department? You will give or tell us your logical. Let him just go ahead. Why?
For advertising
Yes.
of this company.
Yes.
Sales and marketing.
That's why I say think about the company that we are talking about. Because good, you say sales, marketing. Any other contrary opinion? No, really, this question is a debate. Usually at our training cohorts, it's always like a balance between two. This guy want to go there. We will get the logic. You say what? Any other person concur? Or any other one outside of like? People have argued HR center.
It's between, in fact, it's even PR, nothing concerns us.
Which department?
In charge of the advertisement of the company.
You say what?
PR communications.
Oh, you say PR.
I support PR.
Oh, I thought it was good. You see what I said? You see, it's a balance. You tell us. 3-3 now. 3-3. Now.
Has nothing to do with marketing.
Wait, the marketing can.
One by one. Wait. It's always fun, this particular question. And the answer is there. So, marketing, sales marketing, why is that your answer?
Okay, what I'm saying is, the reason I'm saying that is sales and marketing. Marketing goes beyond what we are going to shape clients. Okay, so you run campaigns, you do ads. Okay,
And all that.
Yeah.
Okay, PR communications. Good.
PR, you're the image of your company. Actually. You're the image of the company outside, right? Now, anything that has to do with the branding and everything is done by the PRO or whatever. The PRO, let me use PRO.
Yeah.
Then whatever outcome that comes from what the PRO has done, you move it to the marketer, the sales team that has the skill to now say, to be able to convince the customer this product is right to let's buy or buy from us. But it's not the duty of a PR officer.
Okay, I want to argue with you, sir. What is the main? Wait. Wait. I want to ask him. I just want to ask you a question.
Okay.
What is the main function of this sales marketing?
Sell.
What is their core? What is their main thing?
That's what I'm saying. Their main thing is to sell. In fact, they are not, see, on a structural company that is well structured, a sales rep
has nothing to do with advertisement. Let's talk about the marketing rate.
Yeah, I feel like this department.
Use African mentality to do this. It's well structured now. They move it.
Okay, wait. Make we not spend all the seed time.
Sorry, sir.
We will
If
still
we
wind
are
up.
to advertise this company, assuming we are doing exhibition of, let's say, Cybertruck, who does that?
Advertisement of cyber.
Oh, yes, who does that? So, if that is not PR,
Okay, let's get his own logic. You don't keep going.
Into branding of the company, like the image, just like you said.
Yes.
Into branding.
Hold on to your answer in the next question I want to ask. Hold on to your answer in the next question I want.
Not directly related to advertising. Like it's not directly related to advertising. Don't brand and public image comes from maybe when there is a defamation about the company. Let me speak a baller.
Well,
If there wants to relate or wants to pass an information, they are third side, they are third party.
wait, when you talk better thing. Guys, wait. I like this kind of argument. It's a divide, I told you. But the closest answer that we are looking for is sales marketing. Because that's their job is to take the,
Why I didn't give it to sales marketing team?
especially because of the company we are looking at. If it's a media company, we could go into that kind of. That is not to say they don't have close relation to. But anyway, let's agree to disagree. So second question, what I was trying to ask, which department will be responsible in this company for the governmental conversation? For example, let's say in Germany, what we know as National Assembly, where what do you call them, senators, firemen go for oversight function, they go and committee of this and that. In Germany, that is known as Bundestag. If the Bundestag members want to go on all of these oversight, which department in this company will entertain them, receive them, all those kind of things?
Yeah.
Please, let's not just talk about. You don't understand? Right, come again.
Come again, sir.
Now, my question is, in this company of Tesla Germany, right? This is the Tesla branch of, the German Tesla company in Germany, let's put that. And my question is, which departments, for what we see here, will be responsible for the governmental conversation? I just don't want to use a word so that it doesn't review what I'm asking about. Governmental, what I mean is, yes.
Policy.
Wait. Like policy and planning?
No, like maybe,
Anything that has to do with it.
yes, anything governmental, just like I use the example, the members of their parliament want to go for oversight function and all that. So which department will be responsible for that? Yes, my brother. Hold on to your thought. What do you see? Okay, you go. General Assembly. You. Any other?
HR.
What happened to this thing?
I'll take HR center.
Wow. You are a big any other person? Any more than
Because you don't know what general assembly really because I don't have.
now you are talking.
Like department of general assembly, like
Okay.
these are the three shareholders of the company.
Look at it again, though. And look at the company. You jump in General Assembly. This is the company of Tesla. And what does Tesla do? They are electric vehicle manufacturer, right? Only is to that company. The people choosing General Assembly is wrong. Because I say National Assembly, you just go through. Okay, what is General Assembly? It's manufacturing plant now. See the company. It's for assembling things. All the skeletal part of the vehicle and all this. So let's take that out. So what is the answer? Oh, okay, let's get the logic of HR center. Why? Yeah, answer.
It's also operation. Many organizations have different kinds of department that they need to get. They go down to the board. They have to pass through the data.
Okay, let us not always forget the core functions of departments. So please, let's get your point of view.
So from the 3 hour consultation, basically is actually the public relation and communication. And what these people do or does is to interact with the public or any other organization on behalf of the organization. So in this scenario, Tesla, driving from this company, have say a meeting with
The members of this.
and all of that. So the PR team is the one to attend that meeting and then report back to the organization.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
Don't you? What do you think I asked? I didn't use the word relation, but I just told the story around it so that you, who relates to the public about the company, who entertains guests, all those guys. Who think about it. Which department is and that's why I don't want to agree with your answer to the first question about advertising. Because the PR, they are the public relations, government relations, all these companies. Total Energy calls it government, what do you call it? Government relations and communications, public relations, PR communication. Right? Next question, this one is now coming close to our side. Which one will be responsible for managing the cloud billing of this company? It is cloud billing. I didn't tell you anything concerning any other thing. It's cloud billing, I said. Which departments? Priority? Really? Think about it. Okay, why finance? People say finance. Why?
Whatever it is, you write your bill, pass it to them.
How are they managing the cloud bill?
They are not managing the billing. They are not managing the cost.
You tell them they raise the bill, you raise the bill.
So which one? So which one now? But wait. But if you say it's cloud engineer, they're getting to do with money. Do they have anything to do with funding, finance, or do they have anything to do with on top of the think about it?
It's a finance, the finance officer there is work, moving money to the
Yes, that's correct.
same guy to make whatever.
So in other words, they work together. So what's the answer?
No, it's moving money to the tech guys. The tech guys actually do the payment and money.
But they work together now. Okay. This one gives you money to this one knows how to. So in this, wait now, let's not lose track. So in this one now, which one? What is the answer in this case?
Well, it depends on the company structure.
No, since you have established what using your
So you just want to so
That's my job.
It depends on the using his analogy or his example.
Yes, which is good.
The finance guys. Okay.
we're making emphasis on that management thing.
The cloud engineer will
Because it's important.
management of
Say the word you decide to use complete.
No, because it's important. The cloud engineers, you should know. Managing billing is not simply about just buying, procuring billing. The usage, who knows the usage of that bill? Everybody has billing. We all have our billing account, right?
yesterday they said one of the important
But why can't it be both?
managing your credit.
Why can't it be a mix of both of them?
Just in the mind of that, they do it hands in hand.
No, that's the correct answer now.
Yeah, okay.
So it's not like you are not on the right track, but I just wanted you to.
Okay.
Any other? Should we? Any question? Yeah.
In this cloud, does it have the limit of storing the data?
Who answer that question? Somebody should ask your colleague. Should.
They also the limit. It looks like when IP address testing on. You know, the first IP address was I think 4 billion 24 IP address. So then around those days when testing, everybody was like, no, these are
can't exhaust it.
exactly, you can't exhaust it.
Now we have
But something that now that every single devices are using
Version 6 now.
iPhone 6 now. So that's so one of that is a limit. But that's why you keep building different technologies are coming out. There's bio DMA storage and all of those things.
All right. Thank you. Should we ask more questions on this one, or should we wrap up?
So what? Sorry, sir. To go with this response, and you have something to answer.
No, I don't. I'm doing. It's okay.
That's it. Nothing. Not like it's capped depending on what you pay.
No, you pay for what you use.
Pay for what you use.
There's no limit to how much you can. No. Any other question? Bless you. You know, participating. Okay, one more question for our based on this structure thing, right? Which department will be responsible for research and development of this company?
Research and development. Not just
Data of
our AI. The first one.
There could be multiple. Let me say we had group finance and
Data of yes. AI.
no, I just need marks too. That one a complex thing, just a list.
Data of and
AI there.
autonomous driving.
Any other person?
Autonomous driving.
What is that's the thing with looking at what is autonomous driving?
It's I think it's a unit that tests and driving cars. Develop and test it. No.
Yeah, what is that autonomous? It means some self-driving, right? Yeah, so the department responsible for research and development of the company will then be only self-driving. Is that what the company is all about?
Working based on data.
But that's not what the company is all about. That's my point.
That should be AI development and data.
Any other person? And I feel like you want to tell us one or two things. Research and development. There's no R&D here. So which one will be close to R&D? There's no R&D here. R&D will be the obvious answer, right? So, but which is closer?
It's even AI.
No, it's data, but they have to collect.
So yeah, AI dev and data hub. Correct answer. So anyway, thank you guys. That's it about IAM, and it's always fun when we do that. So do you want to change your answer to that advertising? No, I'm not saying I know you this, but me, I'm open to. Okay.
Even when you know that you can, like an IT support person, sometimes your own is just to support them. Because when the customer wanted to now upgrade his account or do one thing or another in his account, you now move them to the sales team in a structured company. So you have nothing because you are limited to what you can do. You don't have their access to their own kind of CRM to access the sales level, to do all of that. So you move them to the sales.
So you don't want to change your answer. You will stick to PR.
I will stick to.
It's okay. I mean, people have.
So are we stopping at 60?
Yes, 60.
So we have few minutes. We can use this to do.
Yeah, so that's the idea I used actually. So any question? You should ask questions or feedbacks. Huh?
Okay, so my question, I said I have a question. So, but the question is about programming. I've been wanting us to deploy something, but because of time,
Okay, time no do that.
so now, based on this folder structure, for instance, I have.
By the way, it's called organizational structure on Google Cloud.
Yes, it's not.
Organization, folder, project, and the resource. At the end, just to cut you short, sorry. At the end of the day in Google Cloud, why are you here? Is to use what? The resource. And the resource will be provisioned where? In a project. So whatever structure, Google Cloud, you will see this one in those of you who will be doing certification. Structures, Google Cloud structure. The organization could be Tesla. That's why we are doing this thing. Tesla is the organization. Departments are the folders. Project will be in the way we can have those. It could be something like files, those structured things. And the resource will now be inside the project. You get it? So that's the aim of having this organizational structure.
Is it the same way the structure file-wise when deploying to the cloud?
In what context? Because when you want to create other kind of resources, you don't follow those. Okay, are you trying to say maybe the way? Yeah.
Your back-end script in another folder. Now, if you want to deploy them to the cloud, is it the same this positioning now that you're going to use to deploy them to the cloud and still have access to them?
No, that is another thing entirely. This one that has nothing to do with organizational structure. That is on another level of deployment of things. No, it has nothing to do with this. No, don't get it twisted.
Okay.
Can I ask a question? Let's talk about cybersecurity. So if you want to play this sort of like this CTFs, like CTF. So you start an instance of which when you start the instance, it's going to launch either a Microsoft server or Linux server in one place, and then you now try to access it. Sometimes you discover HTTP ports open, sometimes HTTP and all this. So like that kind of thing, like when you click the instance, is it that after clicking the instance, there's some bash script or like some scripts that automatically launch and provision that cloud to look that way. And then after stopping the instance, there's another script or something that's
I don't know that. We have to look at it together. Let's observe it.
This sorry, my question is, we're going to do something like this on AWS.
Yeah. So on AWS, we don't have organizational structure in this manner. It's in fact AWS own is a bit You know, you have management, how do they call their own thing? Where you have accounts. It's not this way well structured. Even Azure don't have, so Google Cloud in terms of organizational structure have the best. So those ones, they just want you to go straight to the resource, and the resource points. I think AWS own is all about account, region, something like that, and the resource directly. But Google Cloud own, that's why I patent that structure for you. The organization, folder, project, and the resource, which is the end result. So that every department can know, have their own projects and do things independently of the other. Very clear. That's what, as you can see with this kind of structure. Azure's own is different. Their own is even, yeah, their own is with resource group. You see something like resource group, subscription. So Google Cloud in that aspect makes it very, very clear. Yes. But it's a good observation. So we are winding down to the 60 hours of our training series. I really, really appreciate you guys for making it this far in this training. We have developed important skills, and I believe that you will continue to, you will thrive as you move forward in your endeavors. I really, what word am I looking? My voice is not even good. You know, I'm so joyful that we made it this far. 2.5 days. It's no small feat. Please be proud of yourself. And many greater things will come for us. Any last questions as we look, count down the clock to 60 hours, please?
The last question is, how do we go from here? Most of us have different specialty where they want to
Pivot into.
So he's cybersecurity. We're also talking about web
Development.
Some people want to do data and machine learning.
Yeah. Sitting on top of the cloud is a beautiful place to be with all these skill sets, because it's not even someone this and that anymore. You should develop these skills hands-on, and you can apply them to whatever. Like this young man can become a. I don't want to even say why you're referring to yourself as cybersecurity alone. You are a DevOps engineer, a cloud engineer. You can, like, why are you being modest or making it look like it's not your business? So all these skills, they come, like they revolve around themselves. You know, you see many people from the cloud have colleagues who are into deep security topics. We all started the cloud together, and you know, the other way around too. So it's all hands-on development, and you don't need to bother yourself. This cloud is the best place to be. Learn the cloud, learn all this, the concept, the idea. You can do many other things. You can develop, you can even build. AI is the thing now. All of us should be doing AI, machine learning operations. Have you heard of ML ops? That's a big thing. What the cloud is right now, or was 10 few years ago, it is going to be in this whole AI boom or revolution. So, and the ML ops, what is the ML ops? You know, maybe 60 hours. Should we stop it? Should I stop? I leave it. It should go on. It should go.
Okay, hold on. But you have one with us with the timer. No, sir. Timer. You have one with us with the timer.
Yes. Okay.
Maybe
we
we're
can
back.
take one.
Yes, yes, let's take it like
Wherever you are.
we will have it as record, no be saying our story.
Yes, that's the cow. Telling you.
My G, this guy is my
Oh yeah, let's do. Come,
let's
I no block you.
do that. But no.
I want to. No,
Be careful.
Okay, this way.
You can sit. Look that way.
Or we should just or set by set. Or we can do it set by set. Maybe we
Not like three. No wahala, na the same thing. Come. More of us.
Who's the cutting? Don't this here. Or just sit that one. Out to my town. No cover.
Come like this, God position.
Papa, come back a bit.
I'm that. Wait. Sorry. Auntie, sit down. Or you. Okay, I take a picture like this.
You don't snap, more go out, babe. You don't do.
Also done. Auntie, sit down. Hold on, no, go back.
Put 2 fingers in the air now.
Cheese.
No go block the timer. Yeah, I don't even remember that movie. Alpha. How you doing?
What's congratulations?
Congratulations.
Congrats to all of us, man.
Francis. They know our people. Hello? Frank, let's just go and take the picture. Let's go and take the picture. Yes, there's light. There's light.